Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to change the country on your Twitter account using your PC, especially after the new update. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit Twitter. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to drop down the menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now click on Account Information located on the left-hand side. Here, you may need to verify your password for security reasons. After entering your password, you'll be directed to your account details. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Country. This is where you can select the country you want to change to. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with a list of countries. Scroll through the list and select your desired country. It's important to choose the correct one to ensure your account reflects the right location. Finally, once you've made your selection, just click on Agree and Continue. This confirms your changes, and in just a few moments, your Twitter account will be updated with the new country setting. And that's it. You've successfully changed your country on your Twitter account using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.